Hello, my dear friends. Please listen. Ninth class poem. I am Dattatreya sir, Shiv Parvati Madhyamik Vidyalaya Wagholi. Let's study the warming up. There are 4 questions on the warming up. The first question is, what makes you laugh, a joke or interesting things? What makes you angry, a things against my mind or boring things? What makes you sad, insult or someone makes me jokes? What makes you happy? My praise or someone gives me gift. Let's study the paraphrase. The speaker of the poem seems to be an adolescent. She is developing child into adult. She could be talking to her parents. She is talking her parents. The speaker does not need help or advice. He is very perfect now. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not to do what I asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are tumbling on my feeling. When I ask you to listen or you form and you are giving me advice instead. विनाकारण तुम्ही मला सल्ला देण्याचा प्रयत्न करू नका, because I am perfect now. It is clear that you have not done well. When I ask you to listen to me, you explain the thing that I should not feel you. You are simply ignoring my feelings and makes me unimportant. Just sees her complaining about the parents. She's talking about her parents or his parents. I am perfect now and listen my things. Here means only here. Listen means carefully listening. Next. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me. Don't worry about solution of my problem. I am perfect now because I have confidence. I am perfect to listen, and I will not give the complaint of 20%. That column is there in newspaper where there are questions and solutions are there. How old is the speaker in the poem? She is maybe 17 or 16. Who is or she is talking? She is talking to her parents, his parents. What must have happened before the speaker says all these things? Actually, there are problems, but she is perfect now to solve the problems. When I ask you to listen, you have the things to solve the problems. I want neither your explain nor any help. I just want to hear me at on. Getting advice is an experience. Means what happened here? The speaker is very confident about the solution of the problem. She doesn't want any advice. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless. She is confident now. She is solving her problem herself. Maybe discouraged and flattering, but not helpless. She is not helpless. She is confident, and she is perfect. When do you something for me that you need to do for myself? You contribute to my fear and adequacy. She is not afraid now, and don't afraid her anyone. Sometimes what happen here? She is helpless. I am doing my work myself. Avoid me fear and lack of confidence. Don't afraid me. I am perfect now. I am very courageous now. I am very brave now. Okay. And she is very perfect. And she is solving her problem herself. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, when I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what behind this irrational feeling, and when they're clear, the answers are advice and I don't need advice. She doesn't want advice because she is becoming the perfect girl or boy. There are no problems for irrational problems for her, and she is very confident. She is very perfect in her thoughts, in her feelings. She is very perfect, and she is telling, avoid me flattering me. Irrational feelings make sense when you understand what behind them. Perhaps that why your prayer becomes God is mute and he is so please listen and just hear me. Is the speaker aware of these shortcomings? Yes. Does she want to improve? Yes. Is she confident about? Yes. She is confident. How does she wants to work it out? She work out it her confident. Telling loud is into prayer because prayer becomes effectiveness. Prayer is very important. God solves problems, but God neither speaks nor anything. God, just listen and let you work it out for yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will wish to listen. Is the poet willing to listen? Yes. Discuss how you can be a good listener. Yes. The speaker is telling, be a good listener. Prayer becomes effective. Sometimes for some people, God neither speaks nor give advice. No solution. God's only listen. So you must be good listener. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.